But what we stand for as leaders is that transparency matters land in this country, and what we have as our manifesto is to ensure there is total fairness. What has actually come to light, and I really want to appreciate DCI, they've thoroughly brought out a list that includes different groups of cartels, ranging from people who are being paid by taxpayers' money, whereby eventually then they continue cartelling and selling this land fraudulently. It is a high time that we urge that action be taken by government to ensure that total compensation will be done by the same people who fraudulently count these very innocent Kenyans. I want to state that the Excellency, the President William RUTO, has nothing to do in what is being purported by our colleagues from the other side, that we are trying to not consider families. That is not the case. The law cuts across both sides of the coin. There is no that it is leaning to one group of people. So the president is not in regards to is very fair in ensuring that law is adhered to. As my colleague has also stated, the leaders, especially the Machakos leaders, who have really come out, they have been there when these lands have been sold. They have been on the front line. They've been mentioned. They should be actually on the same front line, taking themselves to the same DCI and being able to honor the particular summons and being more responsible, instead of trying to come out and show sympathy, which does not completely make sense. This property has had a case for over 10 years in the court. It was ruled. So a process has taken place. Where were these people in terms of the people who sold them land? If they felt genuinely that it was not the case, they did not present themselves. They were not party to the court issue, and then they let it die because they knew the status. So these issues of land cartelling should come to an end, and this should set an example. As we've also mentioned, we have different tribes that have been affected. We have Mount Kenya. We have people coming from the western region, because Kenya belongs to everybody. You can be able to settle anywhere. So it's not really a community that we are just here trying to say this is the only community that is here. We are representing all Kenyans and trying to say that local leaders honor your problems, honor your menace that you took, and be able to be on the front line and compensate the Kenyans who are suffering right now. That is what we stand for, and we stand to ensure that fairness will be accorded as required. Thank you.